Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Hello, Vaida, can you hear me? Hello, Vaida, can you hear me?
Hi, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. How are you?
I am good. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. Okay, so we have to cover the last time what we were doing.
We did start with and end with the two methods, and also we did the string.
Yeah, we did something related to a string. Yes, correct.
Hmm.
Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Today we will do a different topic.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I'm.
Okay, fine. So today we will do the Python list. Okay,
Hmm.
Python list and its functions, list method. Okay, so what is list? I will tell you what is list. So today we will learn a list and what is list, how to create the list, how to access element, update our list, adding the element, removing the element. We will understand few methods and we will do some practice questions. Okay, so it is very big, so we have to
Okay.
do it very fast. So what is list? A list is a collection that stores multiple values in a single variable. So it is just a way, list is a way of storing multiple elements into a single list. So for example, you can see fruit is a variable and we are storing apple, banana, mango, everything in the square bracket. Okay, like this.
Hmm.
See, fruits is a variable and within the this square brackets we are storing apple, banana, mango and lot of data you can add it over here. Okay, so that is the list.
Okay.
So in the list we can store multiple items in it. So in list we can store multiple items. It is ordered. Ordered means uh, it is having index. Are you aware about the index?
Yes, the index number.
Yes, the position number.
Yes,
So
correct.
apple will be at the position index 1 0, right? This will be at the 0 and banana will be 1, mango will be 2. Okay, so the
Yes.
index will be, you can say 0 for this, 1 for this, 2 for this. Okay, like this one. Fine.
Correct.
Okay, so that's why it is ordered. Now we say it is changeable. Changeable means you can add or remove the items from the list. Okay, and fourth is you can add the multiple duplicate values in it. For example, you can add multiple mangoes like this. Still it will work. So you can simply print your fruits. If you run it, and you will get the output. Can you see the output?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is the list. So why do we use list? So instead of writing fruit 1, 2, 3 in a different variable, we can store it in a single list. Okay, that is much easier. So how to create a list? So we use square brackets to create a list. And you can insert numbers, means integer, and string, and float, boolean, anything you can store. List can contain different data types. Any data type you can store over here. Okay, now how we can access the list item? So with the help of index we can access. So for example, for apple you have to write fruit print fruit 0 for apple. You can see the output will be apple. If you do print fruit 1, what will be the output?
It should be banana.
Yes, correct. So let me do it here. You will see the output. Apple, banana, mango, you can see. Okay, so what is negative indexing? Negative indexing means if you write fruit -1, the output will be mango. -1 means, so this will be -1, and this will be -2, -3, and -4. Okay, minus means you are taking from the back. You are taking from the end side. Okay, so you can print like -1. See mango, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so okay, so tell me what will be if there is only 3 element, what will be -2?
We will still have on like a mango.
No, it's banana, because this is -1, this is -2.
Oh, okay. Starting from the end, like, and here the index is 0 is,
Yes, see this
and
one.
minus it's mango. Oh,
Yes, like this. Okay, like this one. Negative index. This
so
is
yeah, and then negative index we don't have any 0.
no, no, no. We do not have 0.
Okay.
Yeah, like this one. Okay, how to figure out the how many items we are having in the list? List length. So you have to use the length function. So you can write print length of fruits. Because you have 3 items, it will show 3. Can you see that?
Yes.
So len is used to find out the number of elements. Changing list items. How you can change? So you know list are mutables. Mutable means changeable. Suppose instead of banana you want to change it with the orange. So you have to write fruit 1 is equals to orange. Then you can print your. So I'm changing the banana. Fruit 1 to orange. If you print the final list, can you see the change here?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay, how we can change mango to, we can say, kiwi? How, what I have to write here?
So in fruit brackets, we can provide the index number,
What is the
which
index
is
of
2,
mango?
which is 2.
Yeah, and
And
then
then in there, we provide the value, whatever we want to change it.
yeah. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, how we can add an item at the end? So for that we have to use the append. Okay. So this adds the item at the end. If you do fruit dot append grapes, then you'll find out that the grapes is added at the end. Okay.
Okay.
Let me show you. How many elements is now?
So now one more added, like the 4.
Yeah. So what is the working of append?
The grapes.
So what is the working? What is the working of append?
So whenever we want to add a new element somewhere, which is not
At the
available
end.
in the list.
At the end, not anywhere. At the end,
Oh, at the end. Okay.
you can see adding the item at the end. That's why it is up and end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What if I do append to 3 times? What do you think?
It should print it 3 times.
Yeah, it will add 3 times. See,
Okay.
suppose you put some for loop for I in range and you do 5 times. Then what do you think? What
So
will
it
be the
should add
output?
5 times.
Yes, correct. See,
So in here, okay.
5 times. So as you run this command, it will keep on adding to the list. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah. So basically, this list is very beautiful thing because mostly if we are making games or any software, this list is very useful to store the information. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Then we have insert. So insert at a specific position. At any position you want to insert, then you, if you any position, if you want to insert the element, you have to use the insert. Okay.
So somewhere in the beginning, in the middle,
Somewhere, yeah,
like,
somewhere beginning, ending, anywhere.
so it's doing the same job as a pen, but it's only
Append is
not
only for
associated.
ending, adding at the end. But
Okay.
insert you can add anywhere.
Okay.
See, first of all, you have to give the index where you want to add and then the element.
Okay.
Suppose I write, yeah, suppose I write fruits dot insert in the place of banana, like 1. I want
Mm-hmm.
orange. Now see this. See, orange at the index 1. Rest of the items
Okay.
move ahead, shifted ahead. Okay.
Yeah. Can you do like instead of banana, let's have like orange, like do not print banana.
Okay, replacing.
Oh, that's replacing. Okay.
Replacing is done by, we have done that here. Replacing is this way, changing list item. This is how you can replace.
Okay. Got it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, no.
Okay. Now we have to do remove the item. So you have to remove by values, by the remove function. Fruits dot remove the banana. So it will remove the banana from the list. Fruit dot remove banana. Can you see? There's no banana.
Mm-hmm.
So it remove, but you have to give the name of the element. Okay. You have to give the name of the value. Pop also removes, but you have to give the index here.
Instead of element, we need to provide the index number, correct?
Yes. So if you write fruit pop 1, what do you think? What it will remove?
It should remove the banana.
Yes, correct. See, right? If you do mango, then it will remove mango. See, okay, fine.
Can we use like pop up on insert both together? Like remove this one, add this one.
Removing and adding. Remove and
Yeah, both
add.
at this. Yeah.
Uh, I think there is no function to do both of them. I think that is only changing the list items. That is the way. So you can directly replace the item.
Okay.
Because see, removing item and adding one more item is same, right? Same as replacing.
Correct. Okay.
So directly we do the replacing. So pop we have done. So if you do not give any index, if you do not give any index fruit dot pop, it will remove the last item. Suppose you do not give any item. So what is the last item?
Mango.
Yeah, so it will remove the mango. See, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is also a way to remove. You can write del for deletion and then fruit and the index number. So this will remove the item. So we have delete, pop, remove, 3 items for removing, right? And
So they
even
work the same?
yeah, basically yes, it works the same. You just have to give the index and it will remove the item. So see, for removing we have 4 functions: remove, pop, delete, and clear. What the clear do? Clear removes everything. If you do fruit clear, it will just show an empty list. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so that is for the removal. Let's try it. See, there is an empty list, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have list methods. So yes, we have done few of the list method. That is append only. It adds the item at the end. Insert will insert an item at any index. Remove will remove the values by values. Remove the items by values. Pop will remove the last item and it can remove by index also. What clear will do?
It will delete everything.
Yeah.
It will return a blank list.
Yes. So there is a sort function also. Sort. So what it will do? It will sort in ascending order. Suppose you are having a list. Numbers. And if you do numbers dot sort, can you see that? 10, 30, 50,
Yeah.
it is sorted now. So you have to do number dot sort. You have to run this command, then only it will sort, and then you can print. So your original list is now sorted.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. Yes, sorting. Sorting, reverse, count, index, copy, membership, list slicing, iterating through list, practice example, quick recap, homework questions. Okay. Okay, now we have reverse function. Numbers dot reverse. Okay, it is also sorting but in a descending order, right? Yeah, let's use this number dot reverse. Okay, what if see it's not sorting in descending order. Basically it's just reversing. Reversing means it's showing the last element first, then this second, then this third, fourth, and fifth.
So it's working on index number, not on the value.
Yeah, it's not a sorting basically. It is just reversing the list.
Okay.
Yeah. And this function, I think Python has introduced this function recently, because earlier there was no reverse function. This is a new function, reverse.
Okay.
Yeah. So earlier we used to reverse the list in with a different method. Okay, so what is the working of reverse?
It's only print the list as a reverse. It doesn't sort it from the end.
Yes, correct. So count function. So count basically count the occurrences. So for example, if you are having, okay, if I count, yes, if I count 10, how many 10 number we have? How many 10 number we have in
Three.
the list?
It should return 3.
Yes. See, we have it 3 times, right? That's why we use count. Then we have index. Index is a function also in the list. So first returns the first index. Suppose you are having, okay, let's do it. Suppose I want to find out index of uh, numbers dot number dot index, and I want to find the index of 30, number 30. So what do you think?
It should return 0.
30 is there.
Oh, sorry, I was thinking beginning. Yeah, it should return 0, 1, 2, 2.
Yeah, yeah. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That is the index. It is used to find the index. Copy. So creates another list. So fruits dot copy new list. Suppose I make a new number list and number dot copy, and then I print Yeah. So basically now, okay, suppose if I make changes on the, suppose this is a list, and I copy this one and store it in a different variable, and suppose I make changes in the number dot append. Can you see that? If you are making it, if you're making a list and you're copying it and making another one, just like the previous list, if you are copying that one and using the different variables, so no matter what make you changes in the first one, it will be not reflected in the second list. See, after printing the first one, I made a changes in the first one, and now it is not visible in the second one.
So how does it work? I'm sorry. Uh, you
Basically,
added a new number only to the first list. The second time it will print the as an old list, correct?
yeah, basically copy means what? Means copy means you just copying the all the element,
Correct.
but you
Correct.
are storing it in a new variable. So no matter now you're changing in the original one, now it will be not stored into the second one.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose you have a very useful data, so you make a copy of this one,
Correct.
okay, and if you make changes on the original one, you can make changes on the original one because you know you already have a copy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you
Mm-hmm.
can make changes in the first one very easily. You can see I am adding the element and it is added in the first list, but it is not visible in the second one. So it means
Oh,
we made the copy and now it is safe. So the changes you make in the first one will be not visible in the second one.
got it. Yes.
Okay, because sometimes we do this with our computer also. Suppose you have two folder, you have one folder of pictures, okay, and
Okay.
you want to make some changes, delete or add some pictures. So what do? You make a new folder, you copy that folder, you make a copy of that folder, right? So that
Okay.
in the original one it is not reflected. Or you can take another example also, like in our real life, how do we use it? Copy. Yeah, you can understand. I think you got the idea, right? So
Yeah,
it's
I got it. Yeah.
original. It's
We.
an original one. You make a copy.
Yes.
No matter
Uh-huh.
how much changes you make in the first one,
Okay.
it will be not reflected in the second one, right? You can see the
Yeah.
second one is as it is.
Yeah. So we have a copy of original one. We can
Yes, right.
bring changes to the second
Yes,
one. Okay. Yes.
yes. So copy we use. Yes. So membership operator. So if apple in fruits print found. So how we can use membership operator in the our list. So let's keep it very simple. Suppose 30 is in our list, right? So if I write if 30 in number, Then you can say 30 is there. See, 30 is there, right? Because 30 digit is there in the number, right? You can see. So this statement will become true. So that's why it is printing 30 is there. So you can use the membership operator. Membership operator is this one, in. This is the membership operator.
Oh, okay, that's the N one. Okay.
Yeah, in. Okay, suppose you are saying 100. Hundred is there,
No.
so it is going this thing not found, right? So you can simply use the in operator to check whether that particular item which you are searching is there or not, right?
Okay.
Yes. Just 1 minute. String slice. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Till then, you can watch some your homework questions. Whether you can do it or not, you can just watch these questions.
Okay, good.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Aida?
Yes, I can.
Okay, fine. So, okay, we are doing 1 hour today, right?
Uh, so I was thinking, yeah, if you want 1 hour, but I was thinking to do some classes during the weekdays.
Yeah, because tomorrow, like, yeah. So, okay, okay. I will discuss this at the end. Okay, let's complete the class first. I will discuss.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so list slicing. So list slicing. So what is slicing? So suppose we are having a list, okay, and if you want to just select the first three elements, so you can select it using slicing. So you have to just mention the index 0 and 3, 0, 1, 2. So suppose let me show you. So suppose you want to print the only first three. So you have to write numbers. You start from the 0 and colon, and then what is, and so three items. What is the index of 30?
It's 2.
2. So you will not write 2, you will write 3, so that this third item is also included. Okay,
Okay.
so you
Yes.
just have to increase one where number here. See that? So first three element you can see, right? Okay,
Yep.
suppose now we have to print 20, 30, 40. What I have to write?
So starting from index 0, 1, 2, and then ending at 2, 3, 4.
What is the
I don't
starting
know,
one?
5. You don't
What
have
is starting?
with the index number 0, 2, 0, 1.
1. And ending?
Ending. So since the ending is in here, 0, 5.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3, so you have to write 4. So we have to write 4.
Oh, okay. We are not printing 50.
No, 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 not 50. Only 20,
Oh,
30, and 40.
oh, okay. Good.
So it will be 1 to 4. See, 20, 30, 40, right? So what will be the index for 30, 40, and 50?
30, 40, 0, 1, 2, starting 2, and then ending 4.
2 to 4 you are saying. Okay. If I do 2 to 4, it will not print the last element. Because 0,
So
1,
how to
2,
print last one?
2, 2, 3, 4. You are saying 4 to this one. So I said you have to increase one more value for the last one. You have to write 5. Then only it will print. Okay, so you have to increase one more value for the last one.
Even though doesn't exist.
Yeah, even though it doesn't exist, you have to do plus 1.
Okay.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So while you are doing slicing, please do plus 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so hope you have understood the slicing, right? That is
Yeah.
slicing. So now we have iterating through the list. So iterating through the list means going to print each value. See, with the help of for loop, for I in numbers, print the I. If we'll do this, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is printing each value, right? So you can go through each element, or you can perform some operation also, like you can add 100 to each element. Whatever you like to do, you can do it. See, right?
Correct.
With the help of for loop, you can go to each element. That is called iterating through the list. Now this is for you. So practice questions. Yeah, you tell me. You tell me what will be the output for this one.
Okay, so we are adding orange, so it's append. The output
Orange.
will be, yeah, it says be apple, banana, mango, and orange.
Mm, yes, correct. Apple, banana, mango, orange at the end. Correct.
Yeah, correct, because we are adding one more element.
Yes, so four element will be there, right? Correct.
Correct.
So mark 80, 70, 90, mark sort. What do you think for this one?
So we are sorting these numbers. Then the number, since it's not in a sorting order, it's unorganized, so it will be 70, 80, 90.
Correct. So Delhi, Mumbai, Pune. So if you remove Mumbai, so what will be the output? You
It
print.
will be just only Delhi and Pune.
Yes, right. Do you know this? What are these things, by the way?
I know Delhi and Mumbai.
What are these?
They are name of the city, so then the Pune also
Yes,
should be
correct,
also city. Yeah.
correct. You are aware about India also, huh?
Yeah, like the big cities.
Yes, correct. And I live in this one. This one. Yeah.
Oh, they say Delhi is very crowded.
Yeah, crowded, but it is capital also.
Yeah, correct. That should be crowded
Hmm. So
since it's
numbers
capital.
numbers 5, 10, 15. So if you reverse, what will be the output?
So we are reversing only the elements. So it will be 15, okay, 15, 10, 5. So we are not ordering, only reversing.
Correct. So yes, it is quick repair. Append is used for what? Append is used for adding the item at the end. Insert is adding the item at the specific index. Remove is used to remove by the value name. Pop is used to remove by index. Clear is used to remove all items. Sort is for sorting in ascending order. Reverse is for reversing the list elements. Count is used for count a particular specific element. Index is used for finding the index of particular item. And copy is used to copy the list and store it. Length is used to find the total number of elements in it. Yeah. So yes, I can give you these questions in the chat. You can copy this.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, yes, wait. I'm giving it to you on this. You can see you will receive a chat.
let me check for the chat.
See the Google Meet chat. You will receive it.
Yeah, I have it here. Let me copy it. Um, yeah, I have them. Thank you.
Okay, so you can copy it somewhere else, and in the next class you can show me the output of all this, right? And
Sure.
even I will share the more complex of this one, right?
Yes, good.